Hello guys, this is Mike from Nitro Speed. Hope you guys are doing well. Just threw out some random Hot Wheels here, M2 and so on. And alright, there we go guys. And starting out with the Ford Fairlane there, guys. And I have a few tonight to show you. Sorry, guys. Oh, that's good. Another hot one today. And been a great day all around, and things are looking on the up. So anyway guys, let's go to the next one. '57 Chevy. And she sure has a nice casting. I like this one. I like the Edelbrock Manifolds logo on there. Makes me think so much of early years of NASCAR. It's just so cool looking. And, it's a very sweet casting. I'm glad I have this one in my collection. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Next one guys, 67 Mercury Cougar. That is the, sorry guys, it's a green light, I'm sorry. Green light guys, gonna open the hood too. That one is the green light. It's a great looking casting, STP logo, STP motor oil. Been around for many years. And love the detail on the engine, is just awesome. It's a great looking car. My favorite year of the Cougar though is the 68. Like the 67 as well. But that's a great looking casting. Okay guys, let's go to the next one. Next one is Dodge Coronet Superbee. And not really sure on the year. I think it's about 67, 68. And that's great looking casting. Really like it. I think it's hold on guys, I'll tell you here. I got the card here. No, yeah, Johnny Lightning, that's what it is. Johnny Lightning. It's a great looking casting. The hood does open, but it doesn't open very far. And I don't want to damage the hood, so I love this car. It's absolutely gorgeous. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. '56 Chevy Nomad. This one's beautiful. The hood does open, but it doesn't stay open, so malfunction. Gonna have to tighten those bolts on the bracket there for the hood, so I have to wrench it. And it's a great looking casting. I really like this one. Glad I have this one in my collection. As you all know, these are some of my favorite cars, are the Nomads. 55 is my favorite year. And I remember that's the earliest memory I have of Hot Wheels was the, I think it was about 1970 when they had the first Nomad out. And I remember it very well. It was my favorite. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Next one's the Roadrunner. This one's 69, I believe. Hold on, guys. Yeah, 69 Plymouth Roadrunner. And this one slants all the way to the right, as you can see. Another malfunction car. I'm just having some bad luck with cars lately. As you know, I don't race them, I just display them. It's hard, it just doesn't want to stay up. It's a great looking casting though, I really like it, but it just does not want to stay up, you know, level. And it's just slanting to the right. Must have some bad shocks in there. Anyway guys, this is a sweet casting. I'm glad I have it in my collection, but just so frustrated. I just keep getting so many bad cars lately. So, alright guys, let's go to the next one now. Next one's 70 Buick GSX. Now there's some of you out there that love these Buick GSXs. Love the color, and that's a great looking casting. Like the red with the black stripes on it. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. (1970) Chevelle Ss396. Great looking casting. I'm glad I have this one in my collection. I love my Chevelles. The Chevelles and Nomads are my favorites. I love the Mopars as well, and the Novas. Just great looking casting. I have two gold ones, different paint variations though. That's great looking casting. Sure is beautiful. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. We're already got 8.5 minutes. Next one. Plymouth Hemi Barracuda, or should I say King Cuda. It's got the modern red lines on it. Got the ghost flames on there. Love the color. It's more like a Christmas green color type. Spectral flame green, I should say. It's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous car. Really nice detail to it. Glad I have this one in my collection. Alright guys, go to the next one. Next one. A Chevy Nova. I think this is about a 64 Chevy Nova wagon. Oops. Yeah, so got the really nice red lines on it, lowered. Gorgeous casting. I absolutely love this car. Glad I have this in my collection. I've had this for quite some time now. 10 plus years, maybe more. It's really cool. It's got a metal base on it, metal chassis I should say, and it's quite heavy. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Next one is also from Hot Wheels, a Chrysler 300C. That one's really cool. I know by Hot Wheels, is just not used to seeing these in Hot Wheels like this. Used to seeing these like in M2s, green lights, Auto World. All in all, it's a great looking casting. Wish they would have detailed the front a little better, but great looking casting. Now I really like these old 50s style classic cars. It's about a 56, 57, maybe a 58. Yeah, she sure is beautiful. Love it. I got 2 more cars after this, and these last 2 you've seen. I just like whatever my heart brings into these, I like to bring them out. So guys, let's go to the next one. That's right, the hood doesn't open on this one. Nope. Okay, so we got a green light. It's also a Plymouth Barracuda or Hemi Cuda. This one is gorgeous. Absolutely love this car. And the hood doesn't open, or the doors don't open. It's made by Green Light though, and I really like this casting. Bring this one of my 70 Dodge Challenger out. They're both green. It is, oh, I can just sit there and watch them go around this thing all day. Just so great to look at. It sure is beautiful. Alright guys, I got one left. And alright guys. This Camaro Yanko. Hold on guys, I know the year, just a minute. I have to look on my card because I always forget. No, that's not it. Oh, here it is, right here. It's a 68 Camaro, 68 Chevy Camaro Yanko. That's what this is. And I know it's a Camaro, but I just couldn't remember what year it was. Gorgeous looking casting. I really like this. The hood doesn't open, doors don't even open. But I love it. I really like this casting. Came with my Chevy Vega Yanko Swinger, something like that. And it's a great looking casting. Anyway guys, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Please subscribe. And ring that bell for notifications when new videos come available. Hope your guys' day was good. Be safe out there. Keep yourself protected. Be good to each other, be well, and we'll be talking to you real soon. This is Mike from Nitro Speed. I'm out of here. See ya.